Welcome to Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. This is our 2019 21-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. This boat's 21 foot, 4 inches, 8 foot, 6-inch beam, 3,600 pounds. On the back of this boat, we have the new 200 XL V6 DTS by Mercury. Ski tow, boarding ladder, trim tabs, dual axle galvanized trailer, powder coated T-top, rocket launcher. Let's get in the boat, take a look. Okay, we have a live well. Aft seating, both sides in the cockpit, rod holders behind it. Helm with electronics, ready to go. GPS, stereo, VHF, Lenco trim tabs. Up forward, we have the seating with the backrest, bow cushions, split bow rail for boarding, cooler with a seat, T-top, rod holders built into the handrail. Boat's inside in our showroom. Come take a look. Say hi to us at Island Marine. Thank you.